How to fix ChatGPT not working or loading error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Now, are you suffering because your ChatGPT is not working? I have the solution for you. So what you have to do is on your browser, you will see three dots on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and then scroll down, you'll see delete browsing data. Tap on it and then you can select the time range or just set it to all time and then tap on browsing data and then select this all as shown on the screen and then tap on confirm and tap on delete data. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix any ChatGPT loading errors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.